In this video, we will review how to make mobile deposits. Let's begin by signing in to your online banking. Once you are signed in, on the top left of your screen, click on the menu option. Select transactions from the menu and then deposit checks from the submenu. Once you are on the deposit screen, select which account you would like to deposit into, and then type in the amount. When the amount is correct, the capture image option will become available. Click on it to open the camera and begin taking the picture. Your device may ask for permission for the Strata CU app to access your camera. This is necessary for the Strata app to capture the picture with your device's camera. Some devices may also need to rotate the screen to capture the image, so ensure that the screen rotation lock is disabled. Once the device has the correct settings, the small camera image on the top right will become available. Click on the small camera symbol to snap a picture of the front of the check. Then snap a picture of the back of the check. It is very important to endorse the back of the check and to write on it, "For mobile deposit at Strata Credit Union," below your signature. Checks that are not endorsed can be rejected. Once you take the second picture, you will be shown the image to ensure they are legible and clear. If you are satisfied, click on Submit Deposit. A screen informing you that your mobile deposit has been successful will appear. Click on Close to dismiss. If you need to deposit more checks, feel free to repeat the same process. You will receive an email with your deposit status. If your check is rejected, this email will inform you the reason along with additional details. This concludes our tutorial on mobile deposit. If you have any questions, please visit any of our locations or call us at 661-327-9461. Remember, Kern County banks with Strata Credit Union.